am Arman Joseph F. Watco from BSc 2D, and today I will explain projectile of motion at zero launch angle using this example. So let's go! Example number 1. A person skateboarding with a constant speed of 1.30 meter per second releases a ball from a height of 1.25 meter above the ground. A. Given that x sub o equals 0 and y sub o is equal to 1.25 meters, find x and y for t is equal to 0.25 seconds and t is equal to 0.5 seconds. B. Find the velocity, speed, and direction of motion of the ball at t is equal to 0.5 seconds. Nag-start yung ball at this point with considering the x sub o is equals to 0. And yung y sub o natin is equal the height of 1.25. Ito, the initial velocity is horizontal. So this is a main example of the projectile of motion with zero launch angle. Therefore, yung b sub ox natin equals to b sub o equals 1.30 meter per second. And yung b sub oy natin, since we are in kinematics in 2 dimension, kaya lang yung starting motion niya, we have zero launch angle, and yung kanyang velocity is directly nakalatag dun sa horizontal. Ibig sabihin nun, yung velocity natin at y, the vertical component, is 0 nga. In addition, nag-accelerate yung bola with the acceleration due to gravity in the negative y direction. So, i-apply natin yung concept na acceleration vertical is negative due to gravity. And gumagalaw yung bola with the constant speed in the x direction. Pag meron tayong constant speed sa x direction niya, di nagbabago yung kanyang speed. And kapag walang pagbabago yung speed or walang changing speed, walang magaganap na acceleration in the x direction. Kaya ax is equal to 0, gaya ng nabanggit ko kanina. For letter A, we can solve the x and y position using this equation. X equal b sub ot times the time, and yung y naman is equal to height minus 1/2 d times square respectively, or height minus 1/2 d times square. And simply substitute na lang yung time to this expression, and similarly sa velocity components naman, our bx or simply b sub o lang siya. Ito nga. And yung by is equal to negative ct. So for letter A, substitute the x values muna tayo. For the x position, ang BO natin is 1.30 meter per second times sa time na 0.25 seconds. We cancel the seconds dito, and x is equals to 0.325 meters. For the y position, y equals 1.25 meters. Ito yung height niya, minus 1/2 times the gravity of 9.81 meter per second squared. Simply, dinirect natin na minus siya kasi this is plus times negative gravity lang din. Kagaya nung itong concept na to in projectile motion. Then, time sa time now na 0.25 second quantity squared. Y equals 0.943 meters. So, this is X and Y position for the time now 0.25 seconds. For 0.5 seconds naman, same process lang ang gagawin natin. Baguhin lang yung time. X equals to 1.30 meter per seconds times 0.5 seconds, and by calculating X equals to 0.65 meters. For the Y naman, again 0.5 seconds and 1.25 meters minus 1/2 times 9.81 meter per second squared, and then times at time na 0.5 seconds quantity squared, and by calculating Y is equal 0.0238 meters. After 0.25 seconds, ito na yung position niya from the origin. Dito sa origin na to, ito na yung layo niya, and ang taas niya is 0.943 meters, whereas after 0.5 seconds naman itong X direction, and ito naman yung sa Y direction. For letter B naman, we are asked to find the velocity, speed, and direction of motion of the ball at the time 0.5 seconds. When we are talking about the velocity of the motion of the ball, ibig sabihin, ang hinahanap sa atin yung resultant velocity. Alam na natin yung b sub x, which is b sub o lang din. We have 1.30 meters per second. For b sub x, for by, this is letter B, by is equals to negative gravity natin na equals sa negative 9.81 meter per second squared. Then the times the time 0.5 seconds. Later bin time na tayo, ito yung time na given. By is equals to negative 4.91 meter per second. And to solve for the velocity, alam na natin yung components, which is assuming b sub x 1.3 meters per second, and yung by negative 4.91 meter per second. We solve for the velocity by Pythagorean theorem. We have bx muna, we have 1.30 meter per second quantity squared plus negative 4.91 meter per second quantity squared. B natin is equal to 5.08 meter per seconds. This is the velocity of the ball after 5 seconds, and the direction naman, angle theta, use tangent, inverse tangent function is equal to by over px, and we have angle theta equals to inverse tangent negative 4.91 meter per second over 1.30 meter per second, and cancel this. We have angle theta equals negative 75.2 degrees. Take note, yung acceleration ng bola, it doesn't depend on the acceleration of the gravity, yung G natin. Is yung Y position naman doesn't depend on the initial horizontal speed of the ball, yung b sub o natin. So, this is the example of for projectile of motion.